don't think my ears are like a normal human size.
I feel like it's the atmosphere, you know, it's muggy.
I don't know why I'm an influencer when stuff like that happens to me, because I do not have my life together. Hello guys and welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday and I am off out this evening to celebrate the launch of my good friend Katie Pix's new cookbook. She's like having her first ever cookbook published, which is so exciting, and I'm heading along tonight. I think a bunch of her close influencer pals for a nice dinner. I'm not too sure about this outfit actually. So I've got my one shoulder asymmetric body from Tala on, and I've paired it with these, whoa, they look mad and zigzaggy in the camera screen right now, but these trousers that I actually purchased from Vinted. They are coming up in a soon to be filmed Vinted haul. I absolutely love them. They're originally Bershka, I think, but they are slightly too baggy and they don't have any belt loops. So that's the only reason I'm umming and ahhing about wearing these, because yeah, they're just slightly too big, but I do like them. They're super casual and comfy, and I need that right now because I'm still so full from my birthday weekend. I just ate so much food, and yeah, I need to get on the Peloton and start feeling good about myself again. Teamed it with a headband. I'm also thinking maybe some wedges because I want to kind of dress up a tiny bit. I thought I would show you some of the presents that I got for my birthday this year. I'm just going to wait for G to get off the phone on a work call, and then I can go down and show you some of the bits I got, because my family did so well on the Prezi front this year. I changed my trousers, you guys, I changed my trousers. I just wasn't feeling great in those, so I've put on these ones, which I've made so much content about over the years. These are the palazzo trousers. They are kind of long for me. I need them taken up really, but I'm wearing them with some wedges, so they're not too bad. But yeah, they're just like oversized and kind of smart and go with everything. Also, very quickly, two other things. First thing, I'm growing my armpit hair out again. Who remembers that phase last year where I grew them out for 3 months and then wimped out, bleached them so they weren't noticeable, and then ended up just shaving them off. Anyway, I'm growing them out again. I'm excited about it. I'm on day 4, so there's not much there. It just looks like I've forgotten to shave. And then also, our neighbours were getting rid of this unit, and I texted Jean, I was like, can you bring that in for me, because I just think it will go so well in our home. So it needs a bit of a tidy. It needs a wipe. I have tried to polish it, but I think it actually needs like a sand and a coat of varnish and also some window like glass spray. But here it is. So it's a really beautiful kind of old tiki cabinet, and it's got slidey doors. So on this side it's got a couple of shelves. Is that a spider? Yes, that's the spider. Worries. And then on this side it's got glass. And yeah, I just really like it. I like how thin it is. So I'm actually going to move it here behind the sofa and just see what that looks like. I'm not sure about it there because I like seeing the green of the sofa when you walk in, and it looks maybe a little bit chunky, but I'll leave it there for a day and just see if it grows. I'll show you some things I got for my birthday. First of all, it's that time of year where I adopt some caterpillar babies, some butterfly babies. So G's parents got me a butterfly kit for this year. The butterflies are on their way now, but I got the net and kind of everything I need. But I think I'm gonna have like a lot. I might have potentially up to 10 baby caterpillars that will then turn into butterflies that I'll need to look after before I set them free. And I do this every summer and it's always a highlight. Last year was a massive fail. Loads of them got tangled. I couldn't save them, so it was really disappointing. But this year I'm hoping for better success. Oh, they also got me Tom Daly's knitting book, which is so good. It's actually signed. I don't think they meant to get a signed one, but it's so good. There's so many cool patterns in there. If you're like a beginner knitter or crocheter, I think it would be really good a book to purchase for yourself, because it's got so much information and it's all in a really like easy to read manner. So very excited to make some patterns from that book. There's actually oh, let me get it and show you. Please, can't sit still. looks like this. It's called Made with Love. And there's a pattern that I thought would be really nice to make G's mum for Christmas. Wait, how cool is this? I'd love to make that. That's such a cool jumper. Oh, actually, I think it was a crochet pattern. Making this top would be so cool. That's a crochet top. Yeah, these cozy crochet slippers. I thought that might be a really nice Christmas present because G always gets his mum a new pair of slippers at Christmas. Literally in the background having a mad moment. Yeah, he always gets his mum a pair of slippers for Christmas, and I thought maybe because she likes crochet too, it might be nice to make her a pair. I won't show you everything, I'll just show you a couple of bits. G got me a tin fish t-shirt and my sister got me a tin fish t-shirt. I am so easy to buy for. How cool is this? Such a cool t-shirt. I think this is the back. And then the front is kind of plain, which I really like. Oh, my sister got me so much tin fish stuff. She got me this little hanging sardine tin, which will be nice decor and also could go on the Christmas tree. She also got me a tin of my favourite mackerel. She didn't know these were my favourite, but they are. They're great. Tesco hot smoked. Yummy. Oh, my dad is so good at stalking my Goodreads profile and seeing what I've added recently to my want to read list. And he bought me the 3 like box set series of this called Wayward Pines. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into this. I think it's like a dystopian, like apparently he said I'd added it quite recently to my list, but yeah, I think it's like a dystopian kind of book series. So I'm really looking forward to reading that. My parents got me a couple of vinyl, the Punch Drunk soundtrack, which is so exciting. This is super limited edition. This is 178 out of 1,000. This is their like original music. And then I also got an Anna Meredith vinyl EP with my favourite Nautilus song on it, and it's signed. And then just a couple of things that G got me. He got me, can I just say, G is so good at prezzies because he always writes a little like clue or like a little message on a little gift tag on every present. And on this present, it was like something like, this is more for me than you. And it's a pattern for a crochet dissected rat. He wants me to learn how to make this for our home. So it's got all the instructions. I'm a crochet beginner, so this is going to take me a while, but I'm really looking forward to learning how to make this. I just need to get the yarn for it, which I actually have quite a few of the colours already in my stash, but that is so funny. I'm looking forward to learning how to do that. And he went into a yarn store in Soho, which is beautiful, by the way. It's called McCulloch and Wallace. Got a little tote bag here, and he showed me out some yarn, and I'm so excited about this. I don't want to show you all of it because I think I'm actually going to show all of this in my next knitting vlog, but I will show you. Oh, we've got some really beautiful soft wool to use up, so I'm so excited about that. I'm going to run through all of that in my next knitting vlog, which I'll probably film it at the end of this month because I haven't had any updated progress on any of my knits yet. And then G also got me some beautiful earrings from Suzanne, which I think we're going to take into store tomorrow and ask if we can, like, how I can wear them properly, because I don't think my ears are like a normal human size. One of them is and one of them isn't, so I'll show you those. Here they are. So, oh my god, I've never had anything from Suzanne before, so I'm so excited about these. They come in such a nice box with the cutest little pouch, and they look like this. They're so cool. So they're like perfect for people who don't actually have their ears pierced, because you don't need pierced ears for them. So they look like this. I don't think they go with other earrings, but they like slot into your ear. They look like a cuff and a hoop. Oh, so freaking cool. But this ear, it just doesn't work because I don't know, my ear isn't the right shape, so you can see it going in. Whereas this one, it sits a bit more in. This one feels like it's going to drop off. So I think, yeah, we're going to go in and ask if there's anything I can do to make it a little bit more wearable. They are so cool.
Being on the internet in the very first place, we've all met through different walks of life, but all been brought together through social media, which is bizarre, and we've all got our own stories of how we've ended up there.
I am home from such a lovely evening celebrating Katie Pix's book Everyday Comfort. So nice. It's out on September 3rd, I want to say, but we just had a really lovely dinner. I didn't vlog much, but it was nice to catch up with loads of people. One super embarrassing thing happened, and I don't think I'm gonna ever forget this. But because this top is a bodysuit, right? I went to the toilet just before I left, and then I went back in to say goodbye to everyone. And it was only when I was halfway to King's Cross Station, which is a good like 5-minute walk, I realised I've been walking around like this. How embarrassing is that? I'm absolutely mortified. I just had a feeling, so I went and touched it and it was hanging out the back. No one said anything, but I knew that people were staring at me. I saw people staring and no one said anything. That is so embarrassing. I am mortified. That would only ever happen to me. I don't know why I'm an influencer when stuff like that happens to me, because I do not have my life together like influencers should. I got a goodie bag. I got a goodie bag from Waitrose. I'm getting the book sent to me in the post, but for the meantime, sour cream and chive mix. Oh my god, I already know they're going to be so good. What? Crunchy and chocolatey cornflake mini bites. Oh my god, this is so naughty. I literally need to start being healthy. This is not going to help. Santo Domingo chocolate sauce. What? That would be nice on toast. Am I right or am I right? Chocolate ginger thins. G's gonna love those. He loves a ginger biscuit. Ooh, and then we've got a couple of homeware bits. We've got some nice navy blue socks. Ooh, a Space NK hand cream. And a candle. Space NK Mykonos blue candle. Sea salt and basil. That sounds so nice. That's so kind. Thank you, Katie, and thank you, Waitrose. This bag of crisps are open, which means I'm going to need to eat them ASAP. They are so good. I am looking like such a state right now. I've like told myself that I'm not allowed to. This is really gross. I'm not allowed to exercise and shower until I've edited my vlog, because it's supposed to go up today and I haven't even started editing it yet. Anyway, I'm like nearly finished editing, but a parcel has just arrived and I wasn't going to vlog until later. I feel like this clip is a bit chaotic, but a parcel has arrived and I just needed to vlog it because, oh my god, I don't know where this came from. I don't remember them emailing me about this. Do you guys know this brand? They're called Too Through. And look, I will show you this. I will show you this right now. This is my new snack drawer in the freezer. And look, I already have a bag of these and I love them so much. I'm positively freaking out because there is a giant strawberry in here. But I love that so much. I feel like Maurice is going to absolutely love that. Maurice? There you go. You like it? Yeah. Oh my god, what's in here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Pina colada. Pineapple frozen with white chocolate and coconut. Sounds insane. Nature's strawberries frozen with white and milk chocolate. And raspberries, which I already have. Raspberries with white and dark chocolate. Oh my god. So excited to try these. What I might do is like put my makeup on and then film a taste test for TikTok. But yeah, I've really wanted to find these. I've been looking out for them in all the supermarkets I go to because I really want to try them. I'm obsessed with pina colada. This just sounds so good. And they're just such a nice, like, healthy little treat. I can't, like, go to bed unless I've had a little bit of something sweet after dinner. It's a really bad habit I've got into. I just need something sweet after dinner just to satisfy my sweet cravings. And these are so good for that because they're chocolatey but also kind of healthy but also kind of rich, so you don't want too many at one go. So we've had this raspberry one in the freezer for, I want to say, like a month, and we've still got some left. So, and we've both been enjoying them. So yeah, I'm gonna empty these into the freezer. I'm so excited to try them. Okay, I am all ready to go out tonight. We've got a date night. I feel like we've got so many date nights on at the moment. They've all just come at the same time, but I really like my outfit today. Like, kind of like an oversized, kind of cropped, baggy t-shirt. This is from Amazon actually. I got it a while ago. And then I've got on my stripy H&M trousers, which I've done such a hash job of trying to take the ends up. I used like hemming tape, but the hemming tape needs redoing, so it does look a bit scruffy. I'm gonna see if I can get my yarn into my YSL bag. I just haven't used this handbag in so long. It's one of my absolute favourite things ever. I think I will be able to get my current project in here. We'll give it a go. I've got my Birkenstocks, and I've also just put my hair up in a little clip, which I haven't done in ages, but I really like because it's kind of just effortless. Keeps the hair out of my face. Also been sleeping so bad recently. I've got such a dodgy neck, which means I should probably wear my bag on the other side. Let's see if this yarn will fit alongside this camera and my phone, and maybe a powder. Do I need a powder? Definitely my headphones, which are kind of compact. Probably also some headache pills just in case. I can't leave the house without headache pills because I just don't trust my head not to start throbbing. Okay, let's see if this fits. This is a good test. Lipstick, Merit Beauty in the shade Ginger. Really love that. Let's put a crochet hook in there. If I like fold it up, like that should definitely fit. It does, amazing. I think I could also probably fit my powder and my headphones. My phone is so chunky though, but it fits. It all fits. So this camera is tiny, that would be not a problem. So yeah, I just need to feed Maurice and then I can leave. Oh, I'm meeting G at 5:30 outside Suzanne in Marylebone to see if we can swap those earrings out for something else. Fingers crossed we can. But I thought, because I finished work a bit early, I thought I might pop into John Lewis on Bond Street quite quickly before I meet him. Apparently they have a huge yarn section. I just did not realise that John Lewis sold yarn, so I thought I'd pop into that store and see what they've got, have a little browse, and then go and meet G, because it's like a 10-minute walk away from where I'm meeting him. And then our date night's in Soho. I'm just feeding Maurice. His favourite meal of the moment is Applause tuna fillet with sea bream in broth. It's got like little rice pieces in. Oh look, he's come over. He can hear me doing this. You lucky boy. I don't know. I have no